Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Miele dishwasher and Miele dishwasher, and this is how we're going to do it. You want to press and hold the start and stop button for about 5 seconds until the display goes blank, then release the button and wait for a minute before restarting the dishwasher. So there are two things that you can try. When you're going to have it turning on, you just want to press and hold the start button that you have for about 5 seconds until the display goes blank. You're going to release the button, and then you will wait for a minute before restarting the dishwasher. Or what you can try to do then is just press and hold the start button for, like, let's say 5-10 seconds, and then turn it on. So this is another thing that you can try. Not only this one that it's going to be turned on, you're gonna press and hold the start and pause button, and then it's going to, like, the display is going to go blank. Then you're gonna release it, and then you would just start W work. But also what you can try to do is just to hold the start button and for like 5-7 seconds, and then turn it on, and maybe that's going to also work for you. So hope this video helped you. Have a great day and goodbye.